Hey guys, so this is like very quick video for you about the perplexity and consensus and primarily the differences to not waste the time. So the consensus primarily thing here is it is specialized exclusively in a peer review of academic papers. Also visually shows how many studies agree disagree with the hypothesis, and also results ranked by citations count, not SEO. So that's very important. So let's omega 3, right? And it's going to like search for it. Also auto-generated citations, filters by year, study type, and ideal for academics, researchers, healthcare professionals, students. And it's from $7 to $9 a month. So as you can see, it's well kind of like written here and well like easy to understand, but this is only for academic sources only, okay? The learning curve is a little bit higher to actually understand how everything works, and it struggles with complex abstract questions, and you get like limited free version, like 20 credits. So that's primarily for the consensus. Now perplexity on the other hand, so this is general purpose search, so web, news, academic papers, everything. So I can like write here effectivity of wild edible greens, and it's going to search for me like more stuff. As you can see, you can just like see the difference here, right? And I can click here on links and I can see the links. Now it got very fast responsive. It got conversational search, remembers context, multiple AI models, uploads PDFs, focus mode is narrow, better free version, great for brainstorming, and you get also mobile app available. So this is not primarily for the academic sources. It got, but the consensus is way better in it for like deeper understanding citations and healthcare things. Higher chance of inaccurate hallucinations, and it's more expensive and less reliable for serious scientific research. So it really depends what you actually need, but this is pretty much like the difference what you can actually like expect from both. And that's pretty much it. So hope this video provided you value, and have a great day and goodbye.